Hello boys and girls, today we're going to show you this cool jigsaw puzzle. It has a lot of cool motorized vehicles. I'm really looking forward to showing you this. First we have a helicopter. Really cool, lot of cool colors. I'm going to tell you more about those later on. And then we have an airplane. Wow. Up next we have a tractor. Really cool. Look at that. Wow. Then we have a train. Look at that. Next up we have a bus. Kind of looks like a school bus, don't you think? And the last piece of the jigsaw puzzle, it's a car. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the colors of the different vehicles. First, I'm going to start off with the helicopter. The helicopter has yellow rotor, blue cockpit, red body, and green landing gear. Up next, we have the airplane. The airplane has a green tail, a white body, yellow engines, orange windows, blue cockpit, and a red nose. Then we have the tractor, boys and girls. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of different colors. We can start at the top. The tractor has a yellow roof, a pink inside, a blue steering wheel, a green hull, black tires, yellow front lights, and red front grille. Then we're going to continue with the train, or as you may see, it's a locomotive. It's the part of the train that comes first. The locomotive has a yellow roof, pink side windows, a blue hull, and green wheels and front. And then we have the bus, boys and girls. I think it looks like a school bus, don't you think? It has the same yellow color, the same black tires, an orange door, red roof, and blue front lights. Kinda cool, huh? And the last piece of the jigsaw puzzle, we have the car. The car has a red hull, blue windows, a yellow steering wheel, and yellow front lights, and black tires. Really cool car, huh? That was it for today, boys and girls. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. Bye!